Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to apply updates to FitGirl Repack games. I'll show you guys how to do it. First, for example, I'm gonna show this game version, and this game, as it mentioned, 2024 game. I'm gonna exit this game and just to go to downloads, the download folder in right side, left side, and I have downloaded the update. As you can see, here is the update. Double click on the update folder. Double click on this folder. You can able to see two folders, guys, crack and update. Just need to double click on the update folder, copy both files and just paste it in the game folder. Again, go back and double click on the crack, and now copy these files and paste in here. Select the place the file in the destination, and now just to close stuff here, and this is the update exe file. You just need to launch through this. Just double click, select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes and select patch option. Select OK. Update has been done. And now you can launch the game. And I'm getting the this error. To fix this error, go to search menu and type Goldberg emulator. Press enter. Select the first site. Select this latest build option and it will download it. After getting download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, copy this both DLL file, guys, and go back to the game folder, paste it in here, select replace the file in the destination, and now launch the game again. As you can see, game launched without having any problem. So it mentioned v.1.10. It has been updated, guys, as you can see. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.